Take a ride in the 2018 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, climate control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.